I'm going to show you how to fix the Outer Worlds 2 fatal error issue, so make sure to follow my steps. Firstly, you should go to the Windows icon, look for settings, now go to the Windows update, you will find it in the bottom left corner. After that, make sure to select check for updates or download and install any pending ones. If you do have stuck updates, go to the update history. After that, make sure to uncheck these two. Now select recovery. After that, select the first option. Now select other troubleshooters. From here, go select the run button that belongs to Windows Update. See if that works. Otherwise, go back and you can just select reinstall now. For the next step, go to the search and type in services and open this one. Now this window will pop up, so select any server running and type in the W hotkey in your keyboard. From here, look for Windows Update. Once done, double click on it. Now make sure to switch the startup type from manual to automatic and make sure that the service status is on running, not stopped. So select the start button if you do find it on stopped. After that, select apply and then click on OK. Make sure to right click on it and select restart. Now for the next method, go to the search and type in NVIDIA. Select this NVIDIA app. Now from here, you need to go to this settings at the left menu. After that, you need to make sure to switch off this NVIDIA overlay to prevent any error. After that, close this. Now go to the search and type in Steam or the launcher that you have the game on. Open it. From here, go to the top left corner and select the Steam logo. Now head to settings. After that, go to in-game in the left menu and make sure to switch off the enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Close that. Now go to library and select collections. Look for the Outer Worlds 2. The game must be installed in your device. So once you select it, click on this gear icon and click properties. After that, go to installed files and select verify integrity of game files. Wait for the process to finish. It will be verifying the original files of the game. Once done, you can close all of this. Before relaunching the game and see if the error is gone, I recommend going to the Windows icon and then restart your computer, and that's it. If you do find it helpful, please like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.